How to install Windows 11 on unsupported PC. Windows 11 has some minimum requirements, such as TPM 2.0, secure boot, and a 64-bit processor. Unsupported PCs do not meet these requirements. First, take a backup of your important data. There could be data lost during this process. Download the Windows 11 ISO file from Microsoft's official website. To install Windows 11 on a USB drive, use a tool like Rufus to create a bootable USB. To install on an unsupported PC, you will need to make some changes in the registry. Open the Run dialog, Windows +R, and type regedit. Navigate to key_local_machine/system/setup. Create a new key named labconfig and add 2 word, 32-bit, values. Bypass chip, value equals 1. Bypass secure boot check, value equals 1. Bypass room chip, value equals 1, if your system has low RAM. Restart your PC from the bootable USB and select the option to boot from the USB drive in the BIOS settings. Follow the installation process. When asked for a product key, you can click I don't have a product key. After installation, install necessary drivers. You will need compatible drivers for your hardware. After installing Windows 11, check the stability and performance of the system. If any issues arise, try to address them.